It is no secret that Councilwoman Candy Tabaka wants to repeal Denver's controversial camping ban. But some were caught by surprise when a measure to do just that was filed on the city's website without an extensive discussion at council itself.
Now, it was quickly taken down, but the cat's kind of out of the bag now. She will be making an attempt to officially remove the law that keeps homeless people from camping.
The question is when. I spoke with her about that tonight.
20th in California has become a homeless camping ground again. Tents line the sidewalks outside of businesses, legally allowed now that a judge has ruled the camping ban unconstitutional. The city attorney's office plans to appeal that ruling.
And so I don't think that you need another court's decision to tell us what we're doing is wrong.
Councilwoman Candy Tabaka says an appeal will be a waste of time and city funds. She's expressed interest in repealing the law altogether, really making the city attorney's pursuit of a reversal a waste. Typically, a measure like this gets lots of consideration, public comment galore, which is why many were surprised when Tabaka's idea was published on the city's website, as if council would have to consider it at Monday's meeting.
It must have been a technical error, but the content is accurate. I would like to pursue a repeal.
The measure quickly came down off the website. She says this will not be filed for Monday's council meeting, but she is moving forward on the issue in the coming weeks.
And so I would like to talk to my colleagues about the potential for this.
And she says she'll do so by simultaneously focusing on a top priority for homeless advocates.
Housing first. And if we can't focus on that, we shouldn't be focusing on anything else.
Meanwhile, she says the city is currently opening itself up to liability. Earlier this week, Denver's Department of Transportation and Infrastructure cleared a couple of downtown sidewalks. A spokesperson said they did so legally under an ordinance that requires public right-of-ways to be clear, citing public health and safety concerns.
These sweeps are not being called sweeps, they're being called cleanups. And that was another pivot that was an attempt to enforce something that we should not be enforcing.
So we have asked all city council members if they would support this repeal. We've only heard back from 4 besides Tabaka. Council members Flynn, Herndon, and Black all unsurprisingly said they would not support a repeal. Councilwoman Jamie Torres says she's undecided. It would only take 4 members of council to get the repeal voted down ultimately.